There's some ratings on here. It's something like a 6406, and here's something like a 1991, and there's also here looks like a 5. For this, we need to remove all this cover, protective cover, and the top cover over here. Of course, we need to remove the oxygen sensor later. Bolt here, and also the bracket. I think we have a nut over here. We need to transfer this bracket as a protective cover to the new cat. To remove the top protective cover, we need to use a screwdriver just to pry out from here. Pry out here and pry this out also here. So after this both pried out, we can remove this top protective cover. Now I have pried out this and this. You can see that the broken piece from this is a 2 layer. From inner layer, there's the 1 piece broken, and outer layer still okay. I think it should be fine. So now we can remove the top cover. And for the bottom cover, we need to remove the bolt here and bolt here. And these 2 bolts also need a 10mm socket. So after 2 bolts removed from the protective cover, and we can remove the cover from this cat.